Good morning, dear colleagues and friends. I'm Marisa Mu from Beijing PKU University Pioneer Technology Company Limited, which is shorted as Pioneer. I'm happy to have this opportunity to make a brief introduction about our company and our technology. It won't take too long, say 10 minutes. Pioneer is well known for its contributions in the field of VPSA air separation. This picture was taken for VPSA oxygen plant, standing for Pioneer's core business. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. Originated from Peking University, still affiliated to this most prestigious university in China, Pioneer enjoys the strong R&D support from this university. Just like the name, Pioneer is devoted to technological development and innovations, providing excellent products and equipment to global customers, pioneering in the field of VPSA air separation ever since its establishment. Now I would like to show you our main business scope. Pioneer is majored in PSA oxygen generation, CO and hydrogen purification, industrial tail gas utilization, adsorbent, and catalysts. For oxygen plant is a key product of Pioneer, which contributes 80 to 90% of our annual turnover with 300 installations all over the world. And there are 60 PSA, CO, and hydrogen projects for a wide range of end users. We take tail gas utilizations apart because it is more complicated and promising under the demand of carbon reduction. Among all kinds of the adsorbent and the catalysts, Pioneer is proud to produce his own oxygen adsorbent named PO8 and PO1 of CO separation, which distinguishes us from other VPSA equipment suppliers. This slide shows our key clients in the world. Now we have several installations in Italy, Russia, Belarus, Tajikistan, South Korea, Brazil, and other Asian countries. We hope to install more of our equipment in the Central and Eastern Europe in the future. From this map, you'll see Pioneer has abundant overseas engineering experiences. Pioneer's 40 installations have been widely accepted by global customers from different industries. This slide shows not only previous projects in China, but also the industries with PSA applications. You can see I am making non-ferrous glass and fiber chemicals, and I make a short list here. On these fields, among all these industries, VPSA oxygen plant is mainly used for upstream sections as eco-friendly and sustainable approach. Meanwhile, CO and hydrogen concentration not only reduces the carbon emissions, but also help chemical synthesis in downstream units. No matter what is the product, oxygen, CO, hydrogen, CO2, nitrogen, PSA technology has obvious advantages. In the next part, I'll describe our businesses one by one. First of all, VPSA oxygen generation. This picture shows main configuration of an oxygen unit, which makes it more and more popular for a variety of industries. Ambient air goes into the system and oxygen is enriched and injected to using point. Pioneer can provide all sizes of VPSA oxygen plant from 100 normal cubic meter per hour to 100,000 normal cubic meter per hour. Here are some photos of the projects we have. The first one is Zambia copper projects built in 2012. The second one, Yunnan Chuxiong copper projects, was built in 2016. And the third one is in India, built in 2018. This picture shows the different capacity of our oxygen plant. Small size, like 100 cubic meters, can be containerized and easily transported and installed. The middle picture shows the standard appearance of our plant. Among Chinese peers, Pioneer is the only one with self-manufactured, highly efficient molecular sieve, like shown in the third picture. Here, there are 3 pictures showing our CO and hydrogen purification units running with excellent and reliable performances. The product CO and hydrogen gas are used as raw materials for ethylene glycol production. This picture shows the project in 2009 for 40,000 cubic meter per hour PSA hydrogen plants and 22,000 normal cubic meter per hour PSA CO plant in Tongliao, in Mongolia. And this picture shows a project of 42,000 normal cubic meter per hour of hydrogen and 22,000 normal cubic meter per hour CO in 2010. And this picture shows this installation was built in 2018, supplied the 31,200 normal cubic meter hydrogen to produce ethylene glycol. With our own patented CO separation adsorbent, Pioneer has provided solutions to industrial tail gases to help eco-friendly production. Following slides will show you our efforts and achievements for solutions to steel-making tail gas in particular. This unit was put into operation in 2013, which has been performing excellently until today. High CV CO gas is achieved from blast furnace gas and used as fuel instead of the expensive local LNG. This company is Shandong Acid Technology that produces oxalic acid and formic acid. The feed gas is BOFD from a nearby steel factory. For the past 4 years, the carbon emissions have been significantly reduced by 280,000 tons per year. This steel factory is in Shanxi province, using high purity of CO gas to produce ethylene glycol and LNG to reach their goal of sustainability. The result is obviously successful, with carbon reduction of 500,000 tons per year. Our introduction is just like this. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask, and you're welcome to visit China and visit our references. Thank you for your time.